the second point, if girls any do some work and after he share our family, hey papa, today I do this, mummy, today I do this. But why day by day what hard and hard, what never share any friend. But girls, if do cook the Maggie, papa, today I cook Maggie. You can try. No. This is the right.
Only some girls.
You also, you one day call me, Salim, today I cook the Maggie very tastily. You can taste. Am I right?
No, you're not at home.
Hello guys, so we are going to have a discussion on a topic. That topic is who is more sensible, girls or boys. So I think girls are more sensible than boys. What do you think, bro?
No. According to me, boy has more intelligent than girls.
How?
Because I am also intelligent than you.
You are wrong.
How can you say I am wrong?
Suppose any day
Yes.
do any competition with you and me.
You,
I can lose you.
no, I can win
No.
easily than girls. If girls competed with me, so I can beat girls easily. Because girls have no mind. How can create?
Boys have also no mind.
No. At this time, many boys available in coaching, but girls only one girls available in coaching. Why? Because girls are not able to speak English. Then he not.
Girls are also intelligent. So girls, there is only me.
No.
Girls
Only
are
you
girls
intelligent.
are
Only
also
you intelligent.
educated and they are very intelligent.
No.
Boys have no knowledge. So there is many boys.
Where are you live? Where are you live?
I live in Bithua.
So I think at this time many doctor available in the Belfra Road. Only boy doctor and only men doctor available. Why not girls doctor available in Belfra Road? Why?
There is nurses, not doctor, but there is many nurses.
Nurses is not the proper treat any patient because nurse is no mind how to injure the injection.
You are wrong. A nurse inject any person.
No.
You
I
are
never
wrong.
seen.
Yes.
No. How can you say yes?
How can you say that a nurse have no
Because I am
mind? They
also
don't
a
know how to
doctor.
inject.
I am also a doctor. I see many girls and many girls work my hospital. See no knowledge how to treat any patient. So how can you say girls have knowledge?
Girls are more sensible than boys and they are very responsible than boys.
First of all, girls not able to ride the Mercedes and scooty and bullet. But
Really?
he also ride the scooty, but he don't know how to ride the scooty. He start the scooty and go on other side. But after he
You are wrong.
no. I think
In this time, many boys they ride bike very fast,
without
and then
hand,
there is
without hand.
there is chances of happening an accident.
So why not care? My life is the break and die. No, why not?
Girls
care?
are also not care. I don't care my life. I don't think about myself.
Only
I
you.
always think about my family members.
I think you may type girls.
And do you know about Yasir? There was a time he study in this coaching center.
Because he think sorry, I don't mention his name because he is my best friend. So if I use his name, so I am very emotional. So sorry.
Firstly, you speak loudly. You are a boy.
Okay, may I speak loudly? Should you comfortable? Are you comfortable?
Yes.
Okay, I start. Firstly, girls has no mind.
Boys have also no mind.
No. Why all time thinking right thing, but girls every time one time think.
Boys
listen me carefully.
Boys always
listen
think
me.
about their selves, but girls thinks
No. Girls,
about their family members.
do you know? Girls without makeup not looking good, not looking
No,
beautiful.
you are wrong.
No, I also seen if any
This
girls want
time,
to
no makeup on my face.
Only you.
That I am
Because
looking bad.
No. I can't say your looking is bad and wrong. So good because if I say yes, your looking is good, so your mind is on other side.
You are wrong.
No.
I never think this type things.
Yes.
I hate this
Okay,
type
okay.
thing.
Listen
Okay.
me a story. There was a time I went to Mela, small Mela. I've seen many girls. All girls use the makeup. All girls. I'm
Do
very
you know?
confused.
Do you know this time is very advanced. Advanced. Every there is many boys they use also makeup.
But girls,
If you don't believe, I can show you
yes,
on phone.
yes, I agree. But as this time, girls has more
And do
responsibility.
you know I have already listened you use multani mitti.
No, you are wrong. Listen, because I never use the multani mitti. I don't know what is the multani mitti. So how can you say you also use the multani mitti?
I have
Without
listened,
makeup
I
and
have
looking the
listened.
handsome. But if any goes without makeup with join the party, so anyone not
That's their personality. Okay.
no. I have seen many girls' personality like
And do you
elephant,
know everybody
like
judge
elephant.
them
No. I
by
seen
their
many girls'
face.
personality like elephant.
Boys are also
You can
boys
see
are
me.
also
You can see me.
like
That was
a
my-
yak. You know?
But you can see me. I'm not elephant, a fat boy. I'm maintenance boy.
I'm also.
But I don't think.
You should think.
Okay. But I think boy has more responsibility than girls because boy all time thinking how to learn the money, how to get the job. But girls, I have seen many girls only one time thinking how to buy the makeup, how to buy the sari.
You
how
are
to buy
wrong.
the
You
no,
you
have
wrong.
point
You are
three,
wrong.
see.
You are wrong.
No,
A
how
girl
can you
think
say? I
how to
also
maintain
seen.
their family, how to maintain
But
their family, how to do a job.
no.
And do you know a girl?
Girls only know how to the cook, but boy, how to write the one hand, how to write the without hand. Because boy is the
This
very
times
intelligent
girls.
than
This
girl.
time girls know everything.
How can you say?
Yes.
No.
And do you know if a girl she's married, she also care their family members and she also do job.
But do you know Muskan? She is very cheater.
There is also
He
a
got
boy,
a
Sahil. There is also available
I
a
don't
boy,
know Sahil.
Sahil.
I don't know Sahil. But
His-
everyone
his-
knows Muskan. At this time, all
And everybody knows Sahil.
no.
He was his
You
her
can ask
boyfriend.
any boys. Do you know Sahil? No. Do you know?
They
Muskan?
know,
एक second,
they
second.
know.
Do you know Muskan? Yes, loudly. Yes. What is this? Audio.
They know, but
Hey, keep silent. You are.
Do you know about Shraddha?
No. I don't.
And you know about Sarfaraz?
I think you search the Google boys the
I think
bed
you
hybrid.
should the Google because it's very famous case. You know about Shraddha and Sarfaraz case?
Firstly, do you know Muskan?
Do you know
No.
Shraddha and Sarfaraz?
Many students are that time available,
Many
but
students know about Shraddha
only
and
girls
Sarfaraz.
know. Yes, I know. You do know.
Why only girls know? It's Delhi case and a very crucial case because they cut.
But
cut,
एक second,
his
day by day, why improve your life? Day by day,
How
but
can you
girls,
say that?
girls
Because-
only
because
improve your
many-
face. Only improve your face.
Many
See,
girls
see,
raised
hand
by,
is very
boys.
dust,
So
but
how can you
face
say
is
that?
very clean. What is the reason? Because he all time use the makeup, only face. He can't use the hand.
How can you
But
say that only
I
girls
have
do
seen
makeup?
many. I no, never use the makeup, never.
So
But girls all time use the makeup, yaar. All time.
because it's her products, not boys' products. Okay,
No.
so it's make only for girls, not boys. So use only girls.
That you earn money and you buy your product not from your husband's money. You should earn your money, not from.
The second point, if girls and you do some work and after he share our family, hey papa, today I do this, mummy, today I do this. But why? Day by day, what hard and hard, what never share any friend. But girls, if do cook the Maggie, papa, today I guys cook Maggie. You
But
can try.
Not
No,
all
this is
girls.
the right.
Only some girls.
You also, you one day call me, Salim, today I cook the Maggie very tastily. You can taste. Am I right?
No,
Okay.
you're not at home.